Good evening. This is Scyther's Night Sessions. Today we're going to be starting the restoration process of a vise. This is a machinist vise. It's a Morgan Milwaukee 40A made in USA vise. Probably won't talk much. This is new to me. I don't know what I'm doing. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. Okay, Allen head. Choose my card. Standard 3/16, probably too big. It's probably too big. 1/8. Too small. So I'm probably not going to be moving the camera around a lot. I'm just going to leave you static because that's what I want to do. Well, actually looks pretty good. There was not much, luckily, there's not much I'll really have to do to fix the metal itself. I'll just need to clean everything up. Probably repaint. So I'm not like a traditionalist too much to where I just do everything like old style or whatever. I'm realistic, so I'm gonna be using power tools to get rid of the old paint. I might use a stripper, but most likely I'm gonna probably just use a wire wheel or brush to it first. But because it's already like almost 11 and I'm outside, I'm not trying to mess with my neighbors and baby sleeping, so I'm gonna do what I can now, get rid of a lot of the bulk grease and grime, and then the remaining, the next session, maybe tomorrow evening for part 2, will be the actual restoration stuff. I would say restoration, I'm just freaking cleaning it up and making it usable. I see a lot of adhesives, maybe some epoxy on the jaws here. I'm going to try to get rid of those, possibly clean up the face. I might take them out, probably not, because it's not that serious, but we'll see. With that being said, because this is already a very short video, and I'm probably not going to edit, let's see how this looks with some acetone to get rid of the grease. That's bare metal with some rust, which means it wasn't taken care of from outside of there. Yeah, there's a lot of paint chipping. Yeah, so I'll probably end up painting this. I'm gonna just clean everything up with the wire wheel. It will just be the fastest, the easiest. But for the most part, everything looks fine. For those that don't know, I guess I'll break it down of what parts of a vise is. I'm not an expert. I'm not 100% sure with what I'm saying. This is just how I know it or understand it, and I'll just like explain what I think it is. So you have the base, you have the static jaw, which doesn't move. You have the dynamic jaw, which moves in and out, based off of this threaded part that is inside the static. This handle with this thread is affixed with this lock ring on the dynamic jaw, so when this is threaded in here, let me do it this way. So when this is in here and this will thread it out, imagine this jaw going like this and opening and shutting. This threading is not like a regular threading, it's called Acme threading. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like square teeth instead of a normal pointed or peak. Anyways, I said I wasn't going to talk, but I'm talking too much. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to leave this alone probably for tonight. I thought there was more that I needed to do to get everything prepped, but for the most part I don't. I'm going to be using a grinding wheel or a wire wheel and probably end up stripping everything off and then see deep down, make sure the paint isn't painted over something that needs to be repaired. I hope not, but yeah, okay. I don't have an outro or an intro.